we are looking at how to pronounce these medical terms. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing medical vocabulary and words and names in English too many people mispronounce as well. But let's get to breaking down the pronunciation. Petechia. So you have 4 syllables. P, T, pinpoint round spots that form on the skin. The stress is on the 2nd syllable. Petechia. Now, it may be said sometimes as Petechiae, especially if you have AE at the end. Petechiae. But if it's IA at the end, it's Petechia. Stress on that 2nd syllable. Now, I think you know it all. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support. And more videos for you here. See you there. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.